Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets in groups. In each group, we learn few letters which are similar in shape, but the difference of the dot make them different. Today is the last lesson of our Arabic alphabets. Today we will complete all the Arabic alphabets. And the Arabic alphabet from the very beginning are Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ho, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun. Letter Alif along with Hamza will learn in the first group. Ba, ta, sa, similar shapes, so we combine in one group and we learn in lesson number 2. Jim, ha, ho have the same shape, so we learn them together in one lesson number 3. Dal, zal are similar, so we learn them in lesson number 4. For ra, za, we learn in